Hi there, I'm Jules from thisstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so for our Buddha bowls, I've had the kale cooking, so I had actually quite a large bunch of kale and I've just wilted it down with a little bit of oil in the pan and a big splash of water and just cooked it on a medium-high heat for about 5 minutes until it goes all like bright green and soft like that. So I'm going to, and the water's really important it helps the kale to steam and cook through. So then I'm just going to season it with a tablespoon of soy sauce. Give it a good stir. That's really the secret ingredient. I think veggies really need a lot of salt. Okay, and then you can taste that if you like. You can add more soy if you want more soy, but I'm just going to divide the kale between my bowls, and it's quite a big bunch, so I may not use it all. Let's see how we go. So back on medium-high heat, and then a good glug of oil. I'm using some extra virgin here because I want that extra peppery flavor, and we're not going to cook it too much, so we don't have to worry about the smoke point. Then a drained can of chickpeas in, and then some spice. So I'm just going to use 2 teaspoons of my homemade curry powder, but you can use whatever spice you like. If you don't have a curry powder, some baharat, it's nice Lebanese spice, or you can use just a teaspoon of cumin and a teaspoon of smoked paprika or some coriander, just like whatever you. I think chickpeas really respond well to some spice. Just a pinch of salt, especially if you cook the chickpeas yourself. These are just a drained can of commercial ones. And all we want to do here really is just to heat up the chickpeas and cook the spices a little bit. So literally a minute like that, then have a little taste, and when you're happy, we're ready to serve. So we'll get the chickpeas off the heat. Oh, they smell amazing. And then I've just got my sauce here. So that's a tahini and soy sauce. So 4 tablespoons of tahini, pretty generous, and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of water. If you wanted to put some garlic in, you could do that. Then we're just going to pile the chickpeas on top of the kale, drizzle with the sauce, and we're good to go. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thisstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.